Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Anmol Fatma. I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Affid Campus Islamabad. So today my TDx task review. So let's start it. Today watching the inspiration talk making pace is a method by May El-Khalil. This message teaches us that pace pace is not created in one day. Just like a method, it takes partners, strings, and hope. Is life we all face pain, misunderstanding, and hard times, but inside of spreading head, and we strive kinds respect and love. Every small good action method, a smile, helping someone, or asking softly can make the world better. Faith start from us from Faith start from us from use words and action. It flows humanity over hard annuity over giving givation. Thank you so much for watching. So viewer, this is my TEDx task. You hope to like it. Meet you in my next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda.